Hey guys, got some rough weather my way. Tropical storm Deborah, or Debby, whatever you want to call it. I live right here, exactly, right in this general area right here. And you'll see what's going on here with the weather report. Looks like it might get just a little bit intense. As you can see, a couple of these different radar views they got here. This one really looks intense, like it's just gonna blow up right over my area there, like the last view. We'll shot outside and see what it looks like, and if it gets really bad, I'll shoot some more video. Well, here it is, 1:30 in the afternoon. It's been raining all last night. Started really kind of getting rough, or a lot heavier rain, probably, I don't know, right around 12 o'clock or so. But I still got quite a bit of standing water here, right just outside my door. I don't think it'll get too much higher, hopefully not, but we'll find out. These things are always big water makers, big rain makers, you know what I mean? Just redid this whole drainage system, and I'm glad I did. Got these new drains in here, different type of rock. It doesn't get all skanked up in the drains like it used to. I'm doing quite a good job right now. Telling you, I got a bad feeling about this. I really do. I'll keep you posted.